if we could do online shopping together.
We're going shopping.
I'm in front of my closet. I'm looking a little ratchet, but that's okay because today is just an organizing day. Inside of my closet here are so many memories, so many. And this closet is filled with high school memories, some college memories, and honestly, even elementary school, because I remember the clothes that my sister wore before she gave them to me. And over the last 3 years, we've been saving up to do little closet upgrades, and the time is now. The time is now, my friends. Even though all the malls are closed, I can't go in any stores, I can't shop with friends nor family, there's still the online market, and there's a lot of options out there. So something I thought would be fun is if we could do online shopping together.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
So I'm going to be live streaming this whole process, online shopping, and I need your help to figure out what's worth it, what's not. We'll shop together. I'll give you feedback each week and let you know what clothes worked for me, which ones I invested in and had to send back, because that's the biggest waste of time. But I'll be the guinea pig for us both, and I would love to have you there on my live stream. Again, I'll be starting next week, and the first thing we're going to do is a closet clean out. So today, while I'm organizing, next week we'll be deciding what should stay and what should go. But today I've got on an old sweatshirt from The Gap, and I actually really like this one. I'll probably never let it go because it's my dad's. Let's get into this closet, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's kind of embarrassing. Without further ado, day one.
Alright. Ugh, gross. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I just don't feel inspired to keep anything clean. Or I should say organized. Let's just get organized. By the way, this isn't to say that I haven't bought anything in the last 10 years. Obviously, I've gotten some pieces, but they were rather affordable investments, which I still plan on making, but we're ready for a major closet upgrade. A little before. Ow! Ow! Ugh. You dumb boot! You cheap dumb boot. Very diverse style here. I've literally had these boots since I was 14. For example, I got this dress when I was 17 years old at H&M, and sometimes I just wear a scarf over it to cover up the stain, and then it's fine. You know, I like it. So do I keep it? I guess so. Cool, right? Should I keep it? Good morning. It's day 2. I took a little break. Let's continue. The closet's almost organized, so let's see what else we can find. In a way, it's kind of high fashion, no? Just for reference, these were given to me. I know old flannels aren't really in anymore, but there's just so many good memories tied with a flannel. I've never even been to Paris, but maybe one day. Carol Baskin had to go and ruin animal print for us all. Or did she make it all the more fabulous? This is the closet, nice and clean. We got a lot of progress done. The closet's looking good. I hope to see you this coming Thursday, the 18th. I'll be live streaming at 7:30 p.m. and we'll go into the nitty-gritty of the closet and figure out which pieces we should keep, which ones we should donate, and then we'll get shopping and find the best pieces for the best prices, because because I'm all about a good deal. So until next Thursday at 7:30, live streaming on my YouTube channel. You can come and hang out with me on Instagram, see what's cooking in the kitchen. I hope you can make it and watch this closet transform into hopefully something fabulous. So with that, I'm gonna head out and get some lunch. All right, bye.